For decades, scientists have been studying the intricate details of a world unseen by the human eye. This hidden realm, existing just beyond our visual spectrum, is home to an astonishing array of creatures, from the towering grandeur of giant sequoias to the tiny yet mighty worlds of microorganisms. Nature's secrets await discovery. But perhaps the most fascinating aspect of this hidden world is its ability to adapt and thrive in environments both familiar and alien. In the scorching deserts of the American Southwest, for instance, a type of cactus has evolved to store water in its stems, allowing it to survive for years without rain. Similarly, in the frozen tundras of the Arctic, certain species of reindeer have adapted to their harsh environment by developing a unique type of fur that protects them from the elements. These incredible examples of adaptation are a testament to the boundless ingenuity of nature, and remind us that even in the most inhospitable of environments, life can find a way to thrive. But what exactly is it about these environments that allows life to adapt and survive? One key factor is the presence of specific microorganisms, such as bacteria and fungi, which play a crucial role in breaking down organic matter and recycling nutrients. In the case of the cactus, for example, certain species of bacteria have developed a symbiotic relationship with the plant, helping to convert sunlight into energy and providing essential nutrients. This relationship is just one example of the intricate web of interactions that exist within ecosystems, and highlights the interconnectedness of all living things.
But how do these microorganisms actually work their magic?
Scientists have discovered that certain types of bacteria are capable of converting sunlight into energy through a process known as photosynthesis. This process involves the use of specialized pigments, such as chlorophyll, to capture and convert light energy into chemical energy. But that's not the strangest part. Did you know that some species of bacteria can even survive in extreme environments, such as high-temperature hot springs and deep-sea vents? These incredible organisms have evolved unique mechanisms to cope with the intense heat and pressure of their environments, and provide a fascinating example of the diversity of life on Earth. And then something unexpected happened. Scientists discovered that certain species of bacteria are capable of communicating with each other through complex chemical signals. This ability to communicate allows these microorganisms to coordinate their behavior and work together to achieve common goals, such as breaking down complex nutrients or defending against predators. But how do these signals actually work? Researchers have found that certain types of bacteria use specialized molecules to convey information to each other, allowing them to coordinate their behavior and adapt to changing environments. This process is known as quorum sensing, and allows these microorganisms to collectively make decisions and respond to their environment. But what does this mean for our understanding of the natural world? The discovery of these complex communication systems in microorganisms has far-reaching implications for our understanding of the interconnectedness of all living things, and highlights the importance of considering the complex interactions that exist within ecosystems. In the case of the cactus, for example, the symbiotic relationship between the plant and bacteria has significant implications for our understanding of how plants adapt to their environments and respond to stress. This relationship also has practical applications in fields such as agriculture and ecology, where understanding the complex interactions between plants and microorganisms can inform strategies for improving crop yields and ecosystem health. Want to learn more about the incredible world of microorganisms and their role in shaping our planet? Subscribe to our channel for more fascinating stories and discoveries from the natural world, and let us know in the comments what you'd like to learn more about. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.